If Steam is giving you a login error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a quick fix that often solves the problem in just a few minutes. This is a simple troubleshooting method that can help if Steam is stuck, refusing to sign in, or throwing a login error after an update or connection issue. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner and click on Steam. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the Steam settings window where you can adjust different app options. On the left side, click Downloads. This section controls download-related settings, but it can also help fix connection and login problems. Now look for Download region. If the region is set incorrectly, or if the servers in your area are having trouble, changing this can sometimes resolve the login error. Click the drop-down and choose a different nearby region, or switch to another one that is reasonably close to you. After that, find the Clear Download Cache option and click it. Steam will usually ask you to confirm this action, because clearing the cache can sign you out and reset some temporary files. Go ahead and confirm it. This step is important, because corrupted cache files are one of the common reasons Steam can run into login issues. Once the cache has been cleared, fully restart Steam. Close it completely, make sure it is not still running in the background, and then open it again. After Steam restarts, try logging in once more with your account details. In many cases, that fresh restart combined with the new download region and cleared cache is enough to fix the login error. If you are still having trouble, double check your internet connection, make sure Steam is not down, and confirm that your username and password are entered correctly. But most of the time, this method gets Steam working again without needing anything complicated. So to recap, you opened Steam, went into Settings, selected Downloads, changed the download region, cleared the download cache, restarted Steam, and then tried logging in again. That's the quickest fix to try when Steam login errors show up. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want help with other Steam problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.